for my folks to see. Okay, then I'm gonna put a carnation. Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with the Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and today I'm coming to you and we're going to do the wine bottle. So my favorite wine bottle that I love to give for gifts to people is the one from Trader Joe's, and I just love the lines and shape in it. It is just so amazing to me. So I had seen that a lot of people are doing that creation with the wine, not creation, but are doing you know, the arrangements with the wine bottles. And I was like, I want to do that, but I want mine to be a little bit different. I want it to kind of come off the sideways, because I see people put it on top and it's tons of stuff everywhere. I don't think it looks too uniform, so we're going to do ours to where it's kind of coming off sideways. So let's begin. So I'm going to take my floral foam and I'm going to cut it. So quick commercial break. We have these on my website, which is exquisitefloralsupply.com. Check it out at the bottom, as well as floral foam if you need it. So anyway, we're going to cut it. We're going to work with this because I'm not very sure exactly how I want to do this. So this was a half of a foam that I cut in another half, and I'm trying to think how I'm going to do this. So let's see. I think I'm going to cut it again, and then maybe let's hollow out a hole. Let's go from this side. Let's hollow out a hole. I'm making a mess. And then let us make it easier. There we go. Perfect. So we hollowed out a hole. Now, you guys remember I said I kind of want to go sideways with it. I'm going to kind of cut off the sides, right? And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to take this off real quick, and I'm going to go put it in some water. I'll be right back. Now it's completely wet, and I'm going to just slide it back on. And now what we're going to do is, I have some flowers from Trader Joe's. I've used some of it, but I like the filler flowers that came with it. I have some roses that are going to be our focal flowers. And then I have some carnations that are also going to be our focal flower. Some roses. I have some white carnations that are going to be our focal flower. Some white carnations that are going to be our our secondary flower. And then we're going to also use a few mums. Okay. So let's begin with getting our shape, and I think I'm going to go with my roses, and I'm just going to take off the guard petals. I'm going to open them up a little bit, and we're going to cut it. I think we're going to go right there, and we are going to kind of go, I think I'm gonna cut it just a little bit shorter right there. And then I think I'm gonna put one more kind of like right here. Yes, I think we're gonna go like that. Then I'm gonna design from this side, and then I'm gonna take a carnation and maybe stick it right. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go right there with the carnation, and I think I'm gonna put one more. I'm thinking and thinking and thinking, huh? I think I'm gonna put one more rose right here on the other side for my folks to see. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a carnation right there, and we're gonna cut another carnation and kind of put it right there. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna take our mums and I'm just gonna kind of cut them off. Don't forget to cut at an angle, you guys, so our lovely flowers can get all the water that they need. And I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm just gonna fill in any spots that I feel that needs to be filled in. Let's see, we gotta cut it a little bit lower. We're just gonna fill in. Cut right there. Let's see. Yep. Just fill it in, you guys. And I think I want these because I want it more going that way than, like I said, a lot of people do theirs to where it's, I want a shape. Am I getting the shape I'm looking for? Okay, so now I'm going to take my filler flowers. No, you know what? Yeah, let's take our filler flowers and we're just going to, no. Yeah. I'm always trying to figure out what I want to do. Okay, sorry I got interrupted. This went off. So I put in a few eucalyptus, and then I also put in a piece of what is this? Dianthus, I believe it's pronounced. So I'm gonna cut some more. I'm just gonna add it in. I'm not liking the shape of this. I'm gonna cut, add in a little there. I think I'm gonna tuck it in. Let's see, there, right here. Then I'm gonna take some of these button mums and stick those really close in. This one I'm gonna cut in a little bit. Let's see, hopefully we got, I've been doing videos, you guys, and have not been liking. Oh, I love this, can't think of the name, which I'm in love with it right now. But we're gonna put in a, gosh, what is it called? Doesn't it give it such a misty, wispy look? And it's my favorite right now. I've been using it on everything and I can't think of the name. Okay, so we have all that together. We have that all in. I'm gonna take this one little piece and kind of go right here with it. Now I'm gonna take some baby blue. And am I liking, I gotta see what it looks like, because I think I'm gonna move this more to right here. I think I'm gonna move this more to right there. Let's see. Yeah. And then, let me see. I think I'm gonna move this to right to under here. I can't get it, but yeah, I think I'm gonna move that to right there. Then I think I'm gonna have this come out right here again, right there. So we have that going out right there. Then I'm gonna put in a little bit more of these button closer to, yeah, I think, yeah, there we go. There it is. Because I didn't want it to look like a big ball on top. I wanted to have a little bit of a shape, like, yeah. There we go. It's all about playing with your stuff, playing with it. Now, let's just put this, because I have a funeral arrangement I need to do next. Because I do have to drop it off. And then I have a meeting with a bride. But, there we go. We're going to finish with, so I'm going to get a little bit more of the baby blue or spiral eucalyptus. And I'm going to put one right there. Oh yes, that brought it out. That did it right there. I hope you guys, I'll show you the end result. That was it right there. And we have that. Then I'm going to put in a little bit more of my seeded. I'm just going to cut. And I'm going to put my seeded, a little bit more of my seeded right in here. And I'm just gonna cover up my holes or spots that I see. And then that's basically it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more some insider scoops on being a florist, go and visit my become a member. I can't even talk. But anyway, this is the lovely arrangement, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what? I think I'm gonna I got some, let's see. Do I want that in there? No, I don't. You know, that's what I said. Always just trying to feel and see what you guys like's going on. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. And enjoy your day. Bye.